Hi, OneHourSmartHome.com, and today we're going to show you how to change the Nest lock batteries. So all you need is this little tool that comes with a Nest lock, or you can use a paper clip or a bobby pin, and you're just going to go ahead and press down right here at the top. You can see there's a little ledge there that you press on with this paper clip or the spring that comes in the box with the Nest, and then you're going to be able to take these batteries out like so. Just take each one out and you can then go ahead and put in some fresh batteries, and the Nest lock is going to go ahead and power back up. So the batteries typically last about 6 months to a year. I've got rechargeable batteries in here. I'll put a link to those below, and I like that because it's just a more environmentally friendly option, and it costs less money over time to use the rechargeable batteries than it does to use disposable batteries. And then to put the cover back on, all you're going to do is go ahead and go like so, and there's two little indentations here at the bottom. You put those into the lock and then you press forward, and now the cover is back on the Nest lock. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and if you want to support us, click on any of the links below, and we'll have a link to those rechargeable batteries below as well. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.